Hello guys, this is Every Acting and today I have a video tutorial on how to install Microsoft Windows on your Mac. So the stuff that you're going to need is a USB flash drive. In my case, I'm using an external hard drive instead because I recently lost my USB flash drive somewhere. So plug your USB flash drive in, go to Disk Utilities and format the hard drive as MS-DOS FAT and rename the flash drive to whatever you want. So after you rename the hard drive, just hit erase and it will format your hard drive to FAT. Now you want to go to Utilities and Bootcamp Assistant. Uncheck the first and third option. You only want to download the drivers right now. Make sure to select your flash drive. Type in your password when it asks for it. And when the download finishes, I'll be back. So once the download finishes, it will ask for your password, so type your password in. And just hit quit. And now you want to go to Utilities and go to Bootcamp Assistant. Not this utility, this was my mistake. And now you want to uncheck the first two options. And right now it's a good idea to disconnect your USB flash drive and put in your Microsoft Windows CD. Once you put in your Microsoft Windows CD, you can hit continue. So I'm just waiting for it to show up here. It should show up anytime soon. It's a pretty slow reader. It's reading by the USB Apple USB DVD reader, or I think that's what it's called. So there it pops up, and now you can hit continue. Once you hit continue, it will ask how will you partition your hard drive. So I only need, I think I select 100 gigs for Windows. if I remember correctly. Yes, 100 gigs. And just hit install, and it will restart your computer after it partitioned the hard drive. Well, in my case, it's a solid state drive, so maybe for you it's a hard drive. I don't know. So once it's done, it's going to restart. So now I have skipped the step where you had to put in your product key. I hope you guys know how to put the product key to activate Windows by yourself. So after you put in the product key, you wanna hit install now, and we wait again. So once the terms of agreement comes up, just hit accept and click next. Now you want to select your hard drive that you partitioned for your bootcamp. Now we have to format it again because right now it's in FAT format. We want to format it to NTFS format so that Windows can install. So once you're here, you want to click on format, hit OK, and now it's format the hard drive to NTFS. Well, in my case, I keep saying hard drive, although it's a solid state drive for mine. Then I'll be back when the install finishes. So once the installation of Windows finishes, it's going to restart and it will boot into your Windows. So now what we have to do is install all the drivers that we stored on our USB flash drive earlier. So plug in your USB flash drive. Open the folders of your USB flash drive and go into bootcamp and hit setup and just let it install all the drivers that needs to run Windows on your Mac. And I'll be back when this installation finishes. So once the driver installation has completed, it's going to restart the computer again. And as you can see, my external monitor is now working. As of before, it's not working at all. Because the driver that comes with the ones that we have downloaded before have an NVIDIA driver, which is the graphics card driver for the Mac. So now I'm going to make my external monitor the main monitor instead of the MacBook Pro screen. So if you have an external monitor like mine and want to make the external monitor the main monitor, you can follow the steps that I'm going to do. I'm going to go to control panel. Don't know what I'm doing right here. So go to control panel, go to adjust screen resolution in appearance and personalization. You want to extend the monitor. And now I'm going to make my first monitor, which is the MacBook Pro screen, to be 1020 by 1200, so that it fits with the resolution of my external monitor. I'm going to hit apply again. Now I'm going to make my external monitor the main display, which will put all the Windows bar, menu bar at the bottom on the main monitor, which in this case is my external monitor. And now the next thing that we have to do is pairing all the Bluetooth devices like the Apple Magic Mouse and Apple wireless keyboard to the Windows on Mac. So as you can see here, I have my Apple Magic Mouse. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to right click and add a device. As you can see, it detects my Apple Magic Mouse, and just select the Apple Magic Mouse and click next, and it will pair your Apple Magic Mouse with your Mac. And this step could be done for every wireless peripherals which uses Bluetooth, of course. Even the Apple wireless keyboard works, and every other Apple peripherals that I know also work. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys soon.